I want my desk to be quieter, starting with Logitech M650. This is day one of fixing tiny friction on my desk. Let's go. Every click of my old mouse feels like a tiny jolt to my nervous system. That constant clicking sound cuts through my focus like a knife. You might think it's just a small thing, but these little sounds add up over thousands of clicks each day. At least for me. So I upgraded to the Logitech M650 a while back with its silent click buttons. This mouse also has a super comfortable ergonomic design. It fits perfectly in my hand, and I prefer a more compact mouse. It comes in 3 sizes, so you can find your perfect fit. The battery life is insane too, lasting up to 24 months on a single AA battery. It has customizable buttons as usual. You can program them for your most common task. Plus, the smooth infinite scroll make navigation feel effortless. Let me show you the difference in sound. So this is the other mouse. Listen. It's too harsh. This is the M650. Listen. I'm clicking. Do you hear anything? Me neither. The difference is incredible. My desk feels like this calm sanctuary now. Instead of a percussion section, I actually feel my shoulders relaxing when I work. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference in how we experience our space. I'll be tackling another annoying problem on my desk soon, so follow along for your next daily friction report.